Cosmic happening. Most of you who've seen my work before think I twiddle, fiddle, nip, tuck, manipulate and manoeuvre in calico, or muslin if you happen to be that side of the water. But today I'm playing with colour, vibrant colour. And I'm actually working with a pattern I've created called Cosmic Happening. Now, Cosmic Happening usually comes in a nice, neat, tidy little plastic bag, but sadly that creates glare for the cameras. But there is Cosmic Happening. Don't panic, you don't get a whole series of pieces. You will need to have your template exactly in the centre. But if you want it off-centre, then you could have the template to one side. If you have it off-centre, it's more exciting because you get short rays and long rays. So I'm going to have this one off-centre. Put the template on the fabric. Don't go too close to the edge, because if you go too close to the edge, you get really short little bits, and it's not a good idea. And magic, you will have your Cosmic Happening design. It's at this stage then, when it can have a border added onto it, it can go onto its wadding or its fluff, and then be quilted.